Also got this bird, another heron. Then we have pigeons.
There's a dog.
And look, we have the Brahmini kite. This is the best part. This is the best part. Ta-da! That's the best thing.
Wait.
Then we have the South Philippine hawk eagle.
Come on.
I am not touching that.
Ow. But
We've also got the Philippine eagle owl. Wait, these things have eagles? That's really gonna hit us.
No.
Oh hell no.
How about them?
We got more pigeons. Then we have another heron. We've also got some more cages we have to show you. So big. This is a big place. Not that big though. This is a bird sanctuary that keeps a literal python. And one time some people were here. And they said they saw something run here. And when me and my father were passing here, a little entered here. It looks like Jurassic Park. Coming! Look at that. That's how it looks fierce. Okay, bye. Bye.